Viewers, listen. You know, summer's coming on when that starts. That is the sound of many, millions of cicadas. I got to tell you, when you're riding around on your quad bike, they seem to pee on you. You can feel the moisture sometimes. Awful. Anyway, this is Queensland summer. This is the road into, that's the 320 just there, the start. And the gate's just up there. And this used to be the old gate when there was no fencing on these properties. So now you can just drive straight through. This is Whiddens Road. And yeah, so we're just shifting the gate. All right. Love yourself, love God, and subscribe.